Okay, so this is a demo of one of the modules in my Twitter automation system. This one is to handle the logged out accounts or where the accounts have been locked. Like if you, it happens sometimes when you use fresh accounts and like you do too many actions, sometimes they get locked. You just have to unlock them one time and they're good to go again. So I'm going to show you. Right now it's working with 10 accounts. This is 15 accounts. Sometimes it works, sometimes, yeah, okay, so it's gonna do the login, all of these logins. It's gonna handle all of this. And when required for the Cloudflare verification, it's also going to look, it's all of this is happening on its own right now. And when it asks for the Cloudflare verification, it's gonna handle that, and then after that it also needs like an email verification code. So I've set up a system where it gets the email verification codes as well from the API. So yeah. Yeah, like you see, like it just got the email I think that was the 2FA code. And yeah, now we can see this in action. This is what it's gonna do. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, and look, it just solved the Cloudflare verification on its own. Now account has been locked. So it's gonna do the please verify your email address part. And it's good there's an automation in this that waits for the email verification code, and once it receives it, soon hopefully, it's gonna enter the email verification code, and it's gonna do this for all the accounts. It's happening all at the same time. So look, it got the email verification code as well. Account unlocked. Look, I'm not doing anything, it's just happening on its own. Loads because we're using proxy. Yeah, okay, it loaded. Perfect, we're logged in. Now it's going to just manually move the cursor. See, this is the main part. It has the mouse cursor, right? So Twitter, it detects cursor movements as well. So now we have this mouse cursor moving around. It's sending requests to the server. There's like this is how a human acts, right? So this doesn't use the API. This doesn't use any of that stuff, and that's why the accounts, once we unlock them, and especially when we use the aged accounts just don't get locked ever, almost never, as long as we do the right number of actions. We do like 10 comments on the first day, 20 on the next, and like up to 80, yeah, 80 max comments. Gonna also implement the DM system in this. And okay, let me just till then show you the other stuff. I don't think, yeah, some there's like a 70% success rate. X is blocked over there. uh, this is gonna work, but I don't want to wait for it. But yeah, the rest of them worked, or some would have failed. Yeah, see, this one also worked. Is it the same one though? No, it wasn't the same one. Browser 6, yeah, that was browser 8. So the logouts have been handled, the account locks have been handled, and we also have a very specific warm-up process. So what do we do once we purchase the accounts? Because you can't just directly start doing all these actions, right? Like you need to warm up the accounts and you need to start slow. So the database and the backend, it handles all of that. It's completely automated. As soon as I set up the accounts, all of this just happens in the back. And I think as of right now, I have around 70 accounts working for my profile. The logouts and all of that stuff is handled as well. Stop. And I'm gonna implement the DM system too. So yeah, that's it. This was an update, and what I'm gonna do is you can see my Twitter if you want to see the results, like how it's gonna be working. Zen underscore Sajnani, that's my Twitter. The system has just started. It's not completely set up, but you'll be able to see the results over there if there are any. I have to pick the right niche. I have to, build the right prompt, to write good AI comments that are relevant, and select the good tweets as well. Like select tweets that are fresh, but you'll probably be able to see all the updates on my Twitter, x.com/zen underscore Sajnani. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want a guide, I think there should be a link in this bio or my Twitter bio. It's gonna redirect you to a Telegram bot or a Telegram channel, and you are gonna get the guide, everything. Like if you want to set up a system like this for yourself, what you need to know. My hair's a bit messed up right now. I just woke up some time back. Some of my coffee over here, and yeah, that's it. Speak to you soon. Goodbye. Zedekil out.